In this video, we will demonstrate how useful AdvanEtch is for the refinishing industry. Even today, many established refinishing companies still rely on older, more hazardous chemicals to etch porcelain substrates. Experienced refinishers know how frustrating and risky it can be when using these types of chemicals. This is exactly why we formulated AdvanEtch Safe Etch. Our goal is to create a safer alternative to traditional etching chemicals. Here are some advantages of AdvanEtch and has against traditional legacy products. One of the biggest advantages of AdvanEtch, beyond eliminating the need for respirators and full body suits, is that it's designed to primarily affect porcelain substrates. Unlike older etching chemicals, a single drop on a non-porcelain surface would instantly ruin and cause catastrophic damage. AdvanEtch is far more controlled. In this video, we will show you how even a basic, cheap, inexpensive drain isn't immediately affected by our etch. Laid out here are two different drains, a standard full chrome drain and a low-cost $14 color drain. In this test, I'll be applying our AdvanEtch formula to both drains for a specific period of time. As a control, I'll be etching a basic white tile for both drains. This test is meant to show that if a refinisher makes a mistake, like getting a drop or a splash of etch on something other than the porcelain substrate, they'll have plenty of time to react and clean it up. AdvanEtch is not intended to be applied to all surfaces, but what we're demonstrating is that compared to traditional acids, AdvanEtch is far more forgiving if accidentally mishandled. That said, AdvanEtch can still affect other substrates if left long enough, and should always be used with the same caution as any other acid. The color drain will be divided into 3 sections, 2.5 minutes, 1 minute, and chemical free for an overall comparison. First, we will be applying some AdvanEtch to our control tile, and then to the drain. Now we will take a look and see how much progress the etch has made on the control tile. Overall, it had made great progress and we're almost fully etched just within a couple of minutes. We have now reached our time limit and will now wash down the drain with some water and a sponge and take a better look to see if there was any change to the surface. Clearly, the acid didn't have any effect on the drain whatsoever. There's no difference, not even within the gloss. While the tile is essentially fully etched, this is quite impressive considering most products in the refinishing industry cannot do this. Now for the chrome drain test. First, we will be applying some AdvanEtch to our control tile and then to the drain. The drain will be divided this time into 2 sections. One side is chemical free and the other side is exposed to acid for 2.5 minutes. Now let's dive in and see what happens. Besides the existing scratch marks before the test, drain is unfazed while the tile is almost fully etched. Guys, I have to say, the AdvanEtch system is a great tool to have when refinishing any type of porcelain substrate. It delivers strong performance while being extremely forgiving. With AdvanEtch, you eliminate much of the heavy protective equipment typically required with traditional etching chemicals. Things like respirators, bodysuits, extensive masking, and even level 3 gloves. All you need are neutral gloves, safety glasses, and a water source for cleanup. This product doesn't just save you time and money during application, it also makes handling the material far easier and less stressful. It's simple, efficient, and easy to use.